ocean's been flooded for over millions and millions of years. And I think it's finally time we do something about it. So I have my assistant over here, Happy Elf, and you might notice that we're not in our elf costumes today. Happy Elf accidentally put them in the washing machine with the red clothes. It's a mess. So we're going to be emptying out the water from the ocean because it's flooding. We can't have that. Hey, Happy Elf!